Hey there, it's us again, Bertrhude
And Priscilla.
and we're here with another frequently asked question. One question that we're asked a lot is, why is Haiti so poor? Now, that is a really loaded question, and with that question, I know that it leads to a person trying to understand the intriguing and beautiful country of Haiti. And in order for you to really understand Haiti, I think that you can't just ask, why is Haiti so poor? You have to also ask the question, why is Haiti so rich? Because there's this duality that exists in Haiti. There is undoubtedly an economic poverty in Haiti. Haiti shares the island with the Dominican Republic, yet Haiti is 10 times economically more impoverished than the Dominican Republic. If you look at the second economically most impoverished country in the Western Hemisphere, it is Nicaragua, where Priscilla's from. Yet Nicaragua is 3 times richer than Haiti. Overall, there is economic poverty in Haiti, but you'll never fully understand Haiti unless you see the wealth in Haiti as well.
Right, so which is why we want to start off the video talking about the wealth that is found in Haiti. A lot of times we can only talk about financial capital, but there are many different types of capital that exist specifically in Haiti. So one of those capitals that we see are social capital, which we see the bonds, the relationships, that community aspect that exists in Haiti. We also have human capital, which is the intelligence, the creativity, the resilience that exists in the Haitian people. And we also have natural capital with the mountains, the lands, the farmland that exists in Haiti. There are many different
Cultural capital.
Cultural capital, different types of capital that exists within the country of Haiti, which we definitely want to make sure that we're also looking at as well.
So, if we want to specifically zoom in on the economic poverty in Haiti, we came up with 5 of the top reasons why Haiti is economically where it is today. Number 1, they have been negatively positioned since the colonial times. As you might know, Haiti was colonized by the French, and in 1804 became the first free black republic in the entire world.
Yeah.
But from that time, Haiti was just really negatively positioned. We see that upon gaining their independence, France said, you want to be free? All right, then we're going to actually charge you 90 million francs, which is the equivalent of billions of dollars, $40 billion to be exact in today's term. That money wasn't paid off from Haiti until the 1940s. So basically, Haiti becoming free meant that Haiti had to pay for their freedom. Not only that, but we also see that there was a trade embargo on Haiti upon gaining their freedom. Even the United States didn't recognize Haiti as a country until the Civil War. So Haiti was negatively positioned right from birth. You had this country with these former slaves gained their independence, and all around the world, Britain, the United States, France, people were scared that this black colony, this black country would inspire the slaves that existed in these different countries, and so they blacklisted Haiti, which led to Haiti unable to develop normally as other countries have.
Right. So you have that aspect, but also number 2, you have education. You hear Nelson Mandela's quote just blasted everywhere all the time, that education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world. But what happens when in a country the education system is, for lack of a better word, in shambles?
Yeah.
And that's kind of the situation that is in Haiti right now. You have, first of all, language. The classes are mostly taught in French, where Michel de Graaf says that 5% of the population speak the language fluently, speak French fluently, and most of the population, all of the population, speaks Creole. In the home, speaks Creole to each other, but you have in the classrooms that they're being taught in French. There's already there that discrepancy that the students are learning from a language that they don't fully understand.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense. How do you teach children in a language they're not fluent in? Oh, as you said, 5% of Haitians are fluent in French. 95 are monolingual, but we're still teaching them in French. That's what my master's thesis was, University of Florida. Go Gators. Okay.
So that creates this just like really tense situation in classrooms. Also, on top of that, you have teachers and the training of teachers. 80% of the teachers in Haiti are not qualified to teach. You also have the fact that about 30% of the educators in last year weren't even paid as well. So you have this like really tense situation with teachers and training of teachers. You have 90% of the schools in Haiti are private, so you don't have this common oversight of what should be happening within classrooms, which creates, this discrepancy of one classroom's being taught one thing, another classroom's being taught another. So there's that tense situation within education as well, that just causes the education system not to be as strong as it could be.
Yeah. So number 3, we have poor leadership. In 2016, Haiti was ranked number 15 out of 176 most corrupt countries around the world. Corruption in Haiti begins even upon us getting our independence in 1804. We see that one of our leaders, Toussaint Louverture, he was captured by the French. He died on the ship. From there, a leader arose, Dessalines, but Dessalines was killed by two gentlemen, Henri Christophe and Pétion. Now, these two guys, Henri Christophe and Pétion, they killed Dessalines. Little did they know that Henri Christophe was going to be killed by Pétion. So there's all of this corruption throughout leadership in Haiti. We see that there are leaders like the Duvaliers, the dictators who have stolen so much money from the Haitian people. There has been such instability with leadership in Haiti. Between the years of 1915 and 1934, Haiti was occupied by the United States, which is essentially they didn't have the power to regulate their people as they please. Over and over and over again, you see this story of poor leadership in Haiti. And fun fact, a lot of people don't know, Haiti was actually split up into 2 different countries at one point with Henri Christophe and Pétion. There was the Republic of Haiti in the south and the Kingdom of Haiti in the north. Haiti is just the history of Haiti has story upon story upon story of poor leadership and corruption, which makes it very hard to have good infrastructure in the country.
Which leads to the 4th point, frequent natural disasters. So Haiti is positioned within the Caribbean in an area that does see a lot of natural disasters. You have Hurricane Matthew that hit last year. You have Hurricane Irma this year. You have earthquakes that hit in 2010. You have droughts that have been happening in the past years. All of these natural disasters really cause for this just kind of the weak infrastructure that Bertrhude was talking about to really be seen, because it takes a longer time for Haiti to kind of get back and become resilient as a country and as a whole. Last year, there was a drought in Haiti where 70% of the local production was harmed completely because of this drought. So the agriculture is hit in that sense as well. You have when Hurricane Matthew hit, banana production was completely destroyed in the south because of this storm. So all of these frequent natural disasters highlight the weak infrastructure, but then really cause there to be this slow turnaround for the country to get back on its feet.
That's right. And the 5th and last point of why there's economic poverty in Haiti, this might come as a shock to some of us, but it's really the generosity of donors. And let me explain that a little bit. Leaders in Haiti have said over and over that Haiti feels like a trash can. This is where all the people that have all of their old clothes and food and shoes, if they don't want it, they'll just throw it to Haiti and toss it to Haiti. Yet they don't realize that the Haitian people, we have tailors, we have people that want to increase our food production. Haiti is being crushed by the generosity of donors. Instead of investing in the capacity of the Haitian people, investing in the mind and the mentality of the Haitian people, a lot of times we just throw our old clothes at the Haitian people, which just perpetuates the cycle of dependence. It perpetuates the cycle of poverty, strips the Haitians of dignity, and it really undermines the natural growth that a lot of countries have. Haiti has the second highest number of nonprofits existing per capita in the country. And these nonprofits, you have to ask yourselves, if there's so many nonprofits, billions of dollars donated, pledged to Haiti, why is Haiti economically more impoverished today than it was years ago? If we're not helping the problem, are we contributing to the problem being worse off?
And it really does give a lot of responsibility to you who are listening, to all of us, when it comes to relating to Haiti, is really asking that question: are we contributing? Are we helping, or are we hurting in that situation? So, we've talked about the top 5 points of why Haiti is so poor, but this is not an exhaustive list by any means. You can talk about population density, you can talk about agriculture, you can also talk about U.S. intervention. We feel like this top 5 list kind of covers just a bird's eye view of why Haiti is so poor. But we want to leave you with this. Although we've talked about the poverty in Haiti, we do want to make sure that wealth is emphasized and that we're always concentrating on that as well.
Because I'll emphasize again, you will never understand Haiti if the only question you're asking is, why is Haiti so poor? You will never understand the Haitian people unless you're also asking, oh my goodness, the ingenuity within the Haitian people, the resilience of the Haitian people, the cultural capital, the history, unless you're trying to understand that as well, you will never get down to understanding the Haitian people.
So I want to leave you with this. I challenge you all to, when you're thinking about Haiti, ask yourself, first of all, if you're wanting to help, or is this organization committed to long-term tasks that are going to really bring about the progress of the country? And if you've been to Haiti, share your experiences, because sometimes we also need to make sure that we're changing that narrative and causing people to look at the wealth in the country as opposed to looking at the poverty.
Yeah. Thanks for joining us.